Check it. Alright, yo, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at AMC, APE, and GME. We also cover SPY as well in this video, as there is a market-wide short squeeze going on. I talk about how that's going to affect AMC, give you technical levels for APE, GME, and AMC to look for, and then talk about the nasty setup that AMC and GME are setting up for, and then we revisit today's predictions to see how accurate they are. With that being said, this video is not financial advice and should not be taken as such. Let's go ahead and hop into the charts, the facts, the data. Let's go. We're back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we'll be looking at AMC, APE, and GME, and also talk about the market-wide short squeeze that will be affecting AMC, GME, and APE. So let's go ahead and start on talk about with the market-wide short squeeze. And of course, the market did see upside as we are seeing a market-wide short squeeze. I do think that once this 150 level is broken, we will see SPY push up to about 260 and then see a overall top, as RSI is getting overbought here on the 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, and weekly time frame. So I do think a top is coming here for SPY. I will give you guys more updates and predictions on SPY, but basically it's the same thing. If that 150 level is broken, you're going to see a push up to about 155, 160 very quickly, but then see a overall pullback, in my personal opinion, as RSI is getting overheated here on the larger time frames. We are having a market-wide short squeeze as stocks like BBIG were up 25% on the day, ending the day at 23%. It was up 30% as of one point. BBIG up 30% as of one point, again ending 23% up on the day. BBYQ ending the day up 8% and was up as much as 15% with a nasty setup. Again, I did make a short squeeze list here on the channel, and I do think those stocks are going to see major upside. Riot, HYMC are also on that list as well. Mullen as well. So I do think we're going to see multiple short squeezes as shorts are getting devastated by this rally in the stock market and are rushing to cover short positions. So I do think that this market-wide short squeeze will be affecting AMC and GME, and we will see these stocks come squeeze as they do have a nasty setup. Now, I do think AMC and GME are going to be the last to squeeze. So I think AMC and GME are going to be the last to squeeze, but I definitely think they are going to be affected by this market-wide short squeeze. And again, I did predict for today AMC having a green day. So I predict AMC having a green day, GME having a red day, and APE having a red day. And as you guys can see, for AMC, we did get a green daily candle print. Then we had GME with a red daily candle print, and APE with a red daily candle print. So we did nail those predictions right on the head. This is my morning prediction and update as well, calling that in pre-market. So I told you GME or AMC.
So we are seeing AMC start to move to the upside. AMC is up 1.
And this was my AMC prediction. This was my GME prediction, telling you guys it would be bearish.
So unfortunately, GameStop moving to the downside as I predicted. Like I always say on this channel, man,
So I just got to keep it 100 with you. Got to keep it real. I did not mean to offend anyone by saying AMC is going to be up, GME is going to be down. That is literally just what the charts are telling me. So I had to keep it real with you guys, let you guys know what the technicals were telling you, and get you prepared for those movements. And this is exactly what we're seeing. GME move to the downside while AMC is holding support. We're starting to see a little bit of bounce back for APE here, and we'll get to the technicals here in a second for all three of these stocks. Let's go ahead and hop into GME, showing you what's going on for GME and what I expect on the short and long term. So GME needs to be holding this level of support of 2250. So I do want to see 2250 held as support for GME. If not, again, we will be coming back down to about $22 even, but that would still be very bullish. GME could come all the way down to about 2130, as crazy as that sounds, and still be extremely bullish, holding this macro sloping resistance as support. That is the main thing. GME is setting up for a major move. I sound like a broken record with GME because this is what's going to be happening basically. It's just going to be consolidating and building a base for a push above $30. That is all GME is doing right now. It is using macro sloping resistance, this turquoise line here, which has been resistance for over 2 years. It's using it as support. Again, I say the same thing over and over and over in these videos because it cannot be underestimated. It doesn't matter that GME is moving to the downside. It is consolidating in a bullish manner, getting ready to make that push above $30 and making that move to the upside, filling this gap fill here to $40. So I do think we're going to see that push to about $30, $40 very, very soon for GME. And again, once GME gets to that $30 level, there's a massive amount of gamma there in the call option chain to give us that boost to $30 or $40. There's also a gap fill above us, and there's little and no support resistance after that $30 level, so GME can go absolutely flying. I do think once GME starts to take off, it is going to be the last time, and once we see AMC and GME start to rally, they are going to rally and keep going, especially after what I'm about to tell you with coming up with AMC, with the setup we have off the technicals and fundamentals. So GME, not too much going on. Again, just consolidating, building a bullish base. It could come all the way down to $22 is what I'm expecting. Again, it could break all the way down to $21.30 as long as it's holding this macro sloping resistance as support. That is all we need to see for GME to remain bullish. So this is what I'm looking at for GME on the smaller and larger time frames. I do think we're going to see more continual downside throughout the rest of the week as it consolidates in this micro falling wedge, building a base, getting ready to push and retest this larger sloping resistance that has been resistance ever since this run up to $28. And once it breaks that, you're going to see a big push to about $30. So again, GME a little bit more downside. The levels of support and resistance that we need to look for are 2250. If 2250 is not held, then you're going to see GME come to about $22 even. And again, this is why I said GME is possibly going to have a red week and predicted a red week for GME stock while predicting a green week for AMC stock. So that's what I'm looking at for GME on the short and long term. When it comes to APE, APE needs to break a $1.90. So once APE breaks a $1.90, you're going to see a big push up for APE. APE is setting up for a macro cup and handle. Right here is your cup. Right here is your handle. This breakout is going to take you to fill this gap fill here. On the larger time frames, there's a gap fill to about $2.60. Right here is your gap fill, and this gap is looking to be filled shortly. I do think APE is going to be running with AMC, and I think it's setting up for a major move as well. This pullback is exactly what APE needed to let RSI cool down. So I do think once APE holds this $1.85 mark as support, which it is doing, it's about to make a move to about 190. Once it breaks 190, you can see that push up to those higher ranges of $2 and $2.50. I do think APE is going to be running with AMC. That is what I'm looking at for APE on the short and long term. Support and resistance for APE is we have support at $1.75, so I do think $1.75 will be held, and $1.85. Resistance is $1.90 and $2 to the upside. Let's go ahead and show you why AMC is set up for a nasty move. Focus on AMC for the rest of the video. Again, this technical setup for AMC is absolutely awesome, and this is why I predicted a green day for AMC, as it does seem to be holding major support and resistance and in building a uptrend in this ascending triangle. This is the same uptrend I said in my weekly video that I did predict to hold. We had several retests of this uptrend today. As you guys can see, we had this retest here and we had this retest here. This is very, very bullish for continuation to the upside. This ascending triangle is a bullish breakout point. The bullish breakout point is $5. So if we can get above $5 and hold that as support, you're going to see a nasty push to the upside for AMC. And this is why they don't want us anywhere above $4.50. So let me go ahead and explain on the smaller levels why they don't want us above $4.50. So if AMC can break above $4.50, so this $4.50 range, break above it and hold it as support, you're going to see a push to about $5, and you're going to see a push to about $5 very, very rapidly. The fact that we're holding $4.39 around that range as support is very, very bullish, because these are the levels right underneath where we need to be to make that push to about $4.50, breaking above that and then retesting that as support to push to the upside. So what it would look like is something like this, so you guys can visually see that. So again, break above $4.50 using as support, then you'll see a major push to the upside very, very quickly. Why they don't want that to happen and the breakout of this ascending triangle to happen, which is a bullish structure, which we have right now. Also, we have the bullish breakout of this falling wedge, which is a bullish structure as well, and the retest of this falling wedge, which is very, very bullish as well. Why they don't want this setup right now is because the gamma ramp we have. We have a crazy, insane gamma ramp at $5, and the fact that they are so underwater now with 28.80% short interest and cost of borrow so high that if we get to that $5.50 region, we're going to start running. We're going to start running. We're going to start running. We're going to start running, and we're not gonna stop. And that is a problem for shorts right now. We also have a major catalyst set up for AMC as well with the judge's decision. Again, I think this thing could honestly go either way at this point with the 20-day waiting point and still cause a massive trigger. And there are rumors about a second lawsuit coming out. So literally shorts are dead in the water. They literally have no hope. We just need to wait a little bit longer as this market-wide short squeeze starts to squeeze shorts from all sides. And again, we can see this happening in the background with the short interest starting to kick up. We can see their desperation with the cost of borrow. They're paying 977% just to start a new short position on a stock that's near or around 52-week lows, which is ridiculous. And we are seeing FTDs start to kick up again. Again, FTD numbers are getting absolutely out of control as we're seeing FTDs start to pick up to insane levels once again. So the last time FTDs picked up like this, we had this rally here. And then the last time FTDs picked up again, we had this rally here. The only time we had more FTDs is when this rally was like this. And this is showing you the pure desperation that shorts are having. And we have so many FTDs backed up right now that if this comes home to roost and they cover these FTDs, we're going to see a literal explosion to the moon. And the fact that we got almost 30% short interest with almost 18 million plus FTDs, as you guys can see, we have a spike to 18 million here, a spike to 12 million here just in a single day. So we have over 18 million FTDs. We have hundreds and hundreds of millions of FTDs stacked up. If we see a movement to the upside past that $6, it's going to be over. It's a wrap. It's a wrap once we see that move. And again, with the technical setup we have, we can see that move very, very shortly as we just keep creeping up, holding support, maintaining support, and building this ascending triangle out, which is a bullish breakout to the upside to about $5.50. So we do have a absolute path to $5.50, even $6.20 because the breakout of this falling wedge. This is a bullish continuation pattern. You have this uptrend, then you go into your bullish falling wedge, and then you make a higher high. Again, we have a clear path to $6.20, which would literally launch us into the stratosphere at this point. That's why I'm saying AMC is set up for a major rally and literally could see anything happen at any moment. We could see anything at any moment. And I do think it's going to be a sudden, fast move. It's either going to be a pre-market move or we're going to see this thing start to creep up and then just take off and not stop going. The fact that we have so much short interest, so many FTDs, and so much cost to borrow, again, paints a very nasty picture for shorts. And the fact that we're seeing market-wide short squeezes, let me know that we are near to the end of this thing. So guys, this is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Tune in for more stock and crypto updates. I give you accurate stock and crypto predictions on this channel. If you want to see more information like this, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And remember, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
That was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. The Discord is $50 for a lifetime invite. All you have to do is hit me up on Twitter and Instagram, link down below. Say, hey, I want to get in the Discord. Pay me, and then I'll go ahead and give you the invite. I also have a membership that you can join, $2.99 a month, cancel at any time, and I'm working on a trading class that is almost done. I have 8 out of the 10 lessons done, so that will be available shortly. As soon as it is, I will make an announcement on the class. But I do have a website that you can check out below. That link below for any questions that you might have. And if you want to support me for free, you can always just drop a like, leave a comment, and press subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you that do so and watch to the end of the video to see this message. As always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.